Lebih baru ki viewers kami ya ki kun samla ki baju page bat ki baju apni nanti kumno bapin yo ya ki kubo Laitkam kenang bapin la ban apply di hagni ga kuntiru ngan wala yang ki hakbe di ban kubo Laitkam kata be jong ki job seekers lani ki kun samla ki badang up manwat kam wat jam nagliang jong ga government of Meghalaya lembaga office of the superintendent training for self-employment of women, the court, nagabanta ka free training, kabala apply lembaga recruitment advertisement jong usniam arhajar arpandriu. Hagabagal hadu sau tali ki total seats nagabanta bupin lit hagatega training. But pinyoru ya ka stipend ha kapor bapile ya katega training. But katega training kan tup ya ki pus ki boper lani ki treats ki boper disngabha kani kadi tang nagabanta ki females lani kentay mo tigi kentay lada pi la pendit penbiang ya ka qualification late mo ban apply but ban yo ya ka free training but kumjuru ka job placement disngabha chekitu ki kun samla kentay ki bakwa ban apply nagabanta kani ka free training kabadi jongga superintendent training of self-employment of women in need of care and protection Shillong government of Meghalaya eligible district ki district ki bapila ban apply ya kini ke training kande ya for East Khasi Hill, West Khasi Hill district, Southwest Khasi Hill district, Eastern West Khasi Hill district and Ribhoi district habaroh ki district jong kari khasi bajai jong kari khasi pila ban late ban submit yang application di jong timon target beneficiaries kadi destitute orphans deserted wives and helpless women who are permanent resident of the specified district ki kamtam ye ki kun swet kun rangli ki bom don kam don jam ki long kumi ki bom don pashu lada pim don kam don jam le ban training but pinyoru ya ka stipend mo ka total seat kan di saupo but ka monthly stipend pinyo khatsan spa manlau benai but ka course lani ka por ka pile ya gani ka training kan di shisnem but kan sedang nadu ka shitarik August arjar pendriu hadu ka laipoi tarik August Julai arhajar arpunyo ban nagabanta ka qualification ka bapila ban apply pinyo ban training hagati ka training for self-employment government of India kan day tang class 8 pass ban ka snem padekin pediang ya kitu ki khana kan thai ki beladap khat pass snem nadu ka laipoi banai bahnyo hajar arpondreu Tikum tai kinu ki bakwa ban apply na kumta ki training kan subha ban late ki headquarter ni ki district ki bangala de ban pensngo late ban apply late ban pendap di form jumpi namar ba ka de ka offline no ban ka form apply na du ka laitrik benai June arajar arpondriu hadu ka pratrik Julai arajar arpondriu hakapor trikam for free office but kelas date kan day hadu shipo tarik na Julai arajar arpondriu di kini ki training kin long kumni kandon ka tailoring kandon ka knitting kandon ka embroidery but kandon ru ka weaving kandon south ki treats nakum ta ki tailoring knitting embroidery but weaving kini ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply nakum ta ki training ki subha ban le mo nakum ta ka tailoring khat south ki seat knitting supposedly embroidery khat south but weaving artly mo ti kan mau bha ka stipend ru pinyo khat san spa per month will be distributed exclusively to the finalized selected candidates during the actual active course of the training kin siu be tangi tu ki candidates ki belasha jit tang sau phongut be tik kin siu hakador khat san spa shibanai mo take a hostel accommodation. Please note that there is strictly no hostel accommodation available for the trainees. The umdon hostel umdon jaka shong jaka sa jaka bam de pihaban biang hi ya kabam gadi ya jaka shong jaka sa lada pipa ban let nang ta ketika ka free training tiba pinyo igi form patne shwa ba pinle ban apply nang ta ka training ki form phila ban late nang ba ka office physical address kadiga bo bomfile road shillong new khandai line not way opposite john ka st.anthony's college near secret story cave shillong meghalaya tilungbang kani ka physical address pinyo ya ka offline form mo but sapnam hangko select pan submit aki district ba jan ki jongphi tangkom tahi hakobe de bat kani ka kubor leni ka free training kabalaw online kerpang lengba ka state of meghalaya kublai shibon